He's on the phone. I could see him holding it to his mouth, sideways, weirdly enough. It was a blackish case. Toba, toba, toba. All right. On the phone.
How are you?
Good, thanks, mate. Sorry? He's not happy. He's on the phone. You alright, lads?
Didn't catch me then.
Were you on the phone?
Nah.
I don't believe it. I'm sure you're good. Nice car. This traffic is mad, huh? Even I can't get through it. Good luck to you, mate.